People ask me, how do I get involved in peer advisory boards? And actually, I participated in peer advisory boards many years ago, which helped me grow my business to a significant business at the time. And I found that peer boards were very helpful and also great at accountability. So people ask me, why am I called a mentor and tormentor? Well, I'm a mentor because of, you can tell from my features, I'm a little bit more mature than some of the others. So I have a lot of experience. I've been a director of a board for over a director of a bank for over 25 years. I've been presidents of non-profit groups. Those weren't businesses, were nonprofit groups for charities, just to make sure we don't get confused on that part. And also I have been head of 2 different manufacturing firms, and I've done a variety of different things. So peer boards are very handy. I got involved in doing this because I was doing mergers and acquisitions after I sold my company and retired for maybe 5 years. And I found that peer boards would be I thought at the time, peer boards would be a great lead-in to doing M&A. And I found that the peer boards were far more fun, far more interesting, and far more self-satisfying than just selling companies.